Hello and welcome to myscadaworld.com. As you see on screen, it's my blog. This blog is, I hope you know this. In the top of this blog you can get into my mailing list, so you know everything about what's going on by email. And we have new option, the courses option. This option is going forward to learn.myscadaworld.com. This is the HIME SCADA tutorials by me, so you can practice for beginner and advanced member how to move with WinCC V7 at this moment, and in the future we will go with deeper options about more HIME SCADA systems. You can subscribe now to Ultimate Course Library. You can get 7 days free trial, then $20 per month. You get 3 course bundle. Of course, you can get also the lifetime access courses, so you pay once and you get this course for lifetime access. You can find all courses from WinCC V7 at this moment from SCADA World on courses. First of all is installation guide. You know this, how to prepare your WinCC V7 to work with you. The second one, introduction to HIME SCADA programming, is free course, free video bundle of WinCC V7 and SCADA system. So you can join to 1 month free introduction to HIME SCADA system. After 1 month, this course will kick you out of this course. You know HIME SCADA programming level 1. It's the same like on the Udemy, but this course will be updated here, not on Udemy. HIME SCADA programming level 2, it's closed for enrollment, but you can join my waiting list, so you can be informed when it's live on this platform. Let's enroll into introduction to HIME SCADA programming. It's, as you see, the pricing option is free, so you can go into 1 month free. And you have the course content. This course content looks like you see, and this course content will be added more and more, because I want to give you as much as possible to this platform and to this free course, so you know exactly how to work with some basic information in WinCC, in other HIME SCADA system, and you can enroll for 1 month free. You have also featured products on the bottom. Okay, let's try to enroll. I will show you how to make this step by step in new platform, so you know how to make this. We need to put some name. We need to put some email. This email is very important because you get some information by this email. You need to set some password. Okay, and on the bottom you see some agree to receive instruction, and you agree with teachable term of use and privacy policy and SCADA World term of use and privacy policy. You can log into my teachable or log in SCADA World account. Here you have the welcome to introduction to HIME SCADA programming, and you have button go to course. You see the course curriculum. First of all, you have information about your instructor, you have some information about me, and you have go back to course curriculum, and you can see what's video inside, and you have information how much time you have left for this 1 month. So you have available until 19 February 2021. Let's open one of this video to show how it's working. Let's make the start. Okay, you have running the video. You have possibility to make some comments below. It's working perfectly. I think it's better video than on the Udemy.com because it's much better working. Performance is great. You have introduction to C actions first, and you have possibility to download some PDF from me. As you see, everything working very good on this platform. You can download this file and you can post some comment, so you can write me something and we can talk. Of course, we can complete and continue with this video, and system will forward you to next lectures. You have information how much course you complete, how much you don't, and let me know if you like this new platform. Give it a try and join this platform and say me it's good or not. I want to hear it from you. Give me some comments, write me some emails. When you go back, you see all courses from SCADA.com, and for sure we will have more and more here in the future. If you like this video, subscribe to this channel, join learn.myscada.com and try this. See you on Friday. Bye.